All right, what's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video and I'm super excited today. Today is the day we've been waiting for. I feel like I'm part of Laker Nation or something. Oster Nation. Shout out to y'all, you feel me? Today is the day. I looked on Instagram today. I seen Oster posted the official images of what they're releasing. From what I seen, they're releasing a cordless 76. They're releasing a fast feed and their trimmer. I don't really use the 76. I'm willing to give it a try, but that's not something I really use. I'm gonna probably get it anyway. I never used one of their trimmers either. I'm not against getting one of them, but we'll see. But I'm definitely getting a fast feed. So they posted two different colors. They got the burgundy, the regular burgundy, and then they got it's like a black and silver one. And they're still promising fall. So fall is right around the corner. We'll see what happens. They don't have an official date that I know of yet, but we'll see. But I'm excited as hell for this because I've been waiting way too long for this, way too long. So it's official, y'all. These are the pictures of them both right here. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Make sure you comment. Let me know which one you plan on getting, or if you plan on getting any of these. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave your comments below. Share this video with anybody who want to see it. And let me know what y'all want to see in the next video. Holla at y'all later.